We do a lot of these too, guys. They come all the time. We get all these exclusive cars on a regular. It's different for a Corvette. Usually the Corvettes come with the motor in the front. This one's rear wheel with the mid-mount motor. What do you guys think about this colorway? Like the silver with the maroon, like simple, low-key. Me personally, I like the loud colors on a car like this. I don't think a really bright green would look good on a regular sedan like a Toyota Camry. This is definitely not Toyota Camry. This Corvette deserves, I feel like, my taste deserves a brighter color, something that stands out. You can see it from afar. This is stock, and I like something a little bit more customized. So I would go with a beefier body kit. I definitely don't like the taillights that much. Even though they have a cool shape and whatever, it just looks so Camaro-ish in the back. They should definitely change the style of the taillights. Even though this car already rides at a low ride height, I feel like you should just lower it a little. I'm gonna show you guys around the car real quick. Look at these headlights. Jesus, that's beautiful. They did such a good job on this car. The front end looks amazing, it's flawless. The colorway is definitely different. Usually you see the really red interior. This one's maroon. The older Corvettes, you had to get out and remove the top from it and then put it in the trunk. You can't see the engine bay. Usually on the hard top, you could see the engine bay. It would have the glass right there. But since the top comes back, they changed up this whole look right here. You press a button, top comes down. You don't have to get out or do no extra stuff. This is the best part of my job. We're driving this bad boy around this parking lot. We got a really big parking lot here, and we like to get a feel of the cars. This car feels great. It feels very sporty. Man, beautiful. The touch, the feel, very brand new. It's definitely different from the older Corvettes. We get a lot of these cars here. We just get a lot of cars here, guys, a lot. Here we bring you this beautiful 2022 Chevy Corvette StingRay. You know, they changed the body on these a few years back. It's a beautiful touch to the Corvette. The enthusiasts, some of them, the purists don't really like it, but I think it was a great switch. They've been trying to do this for years. Started a long time ago. They wanted to switch it to mid-mount to compete with Ferrari or something like that. This one's like a pearl silver, looks great with the maroon. We've done a ton of these, guys. You guys seen them before. They come in all the time. 35% over here on the front windshield, 35 on the two sides, and 35 on this bad boy right here on the back, right there. All right, guys, enough horsing around. We're gonna tint this bad boy. Don't go anywhere. Alrighty, guys, look at this bad boy. Jesus. I'm Spanish, guys. I can say Jesus. Jesus. What a bad mother, shut your mouth. Wow, this car looks so good. We've done it a whole bunch of times, guys, but you know, I just can't get enough of it. The interior is on a whole nother level. Man, look how beautiful that looks. That is such a nice color with this pearlescent silver. Let me get a little close. Maybe you guys can see what I'm seeing. This is a very nice color. This is the color stands out, very nice. And so we did 35 on this front windshield right here. We did 35 on this front windshield, looks great. I feel like it's a good touch to this car. 35 on the two front doors over there, that door over there. This door right here, 35%. 35 on this back windshield right here, 35, look at that. Flawless, guys, beautiful. Nice little look right there. Subscribe, guys, ring that bell icon so you get notified every time we drop a video. Smash that like button because our videos are dope. Elix, let's get out of here, guys. They're gonna open up the gate, we're gonna back this up. This is how you open the door right here. Boom. It's a button under there. Let's move the seat back a little bit. Did you guys notice that this has carbon fiber right here on the seat? Look at this car, bro. Jesus Christ, guys, come on. Come on, step your game up, guys. Chevy killing it with this Corvette. Jesus, the details on this bad boy are insane. Insane. We're in the Corvette, guys. Wow. Oh, man. Dude, stylish. Look, it's got like suede here, suede everywhere, guys. Suede everywhere. The door handle panel stuff has suede on it, you know? Square steering wheel. Come on. Up your game. Up your game. Car game. Bad boy. For like $1 million. Beautiful car, guys. Beautiful, beautiful car right here. Yeah, beautiful. Look how gorgeous that car looks outside, guys. Oh, man. When I grow up, I want to be just like this guy. Done by yours truly, Winning Window Tints, guys. Holla at the team. We got you. Best tints in New Jersey, in the whole country.